Hey guys, what's up? Let me ask you a question. And this is not going to necessarily be, 100% true, but just asking how many people out here either hate or really dislike their 9 to 5, the job, right? And my guess is quite a few of you do. But here's an interesting thing. Why would someone do something that they hate? Why would someone do something that they hate instead of doing something that they love to do? Now, get it. You're going to say, hey, I make money at what I hate. I don't make any money at what I love. Well, that's true. But you didn't make money at what you hate right off the bat. It takes time to build up a little bit. And the same thing with what you love to do. If you would start taking, some time and do some things that you love doing, you'll figure out a way how to make some money. And if you can't figure out that way, get a hold of me and I'll try and help you. Because there has to be a way that you can do what you love to do. Later. Oh, by the way, hit the like, hit a follow, and check this out. This is what I enjoy doing. It's kind of technical, but not overly hard technical. And I just like technical stuff. Later. Bye.